Today I am going to discuss Indian history. Hope you guys enjoy. What is history? The study of the past is called history. According to British historian E.H. Carr, history is an unending dialogue between past and present, a system of dating BC and AD. BC means before the birth of Jesus Christ. That is why BC is denoted as before Christ. Example: Alexander the Great was born in 356 BC and died in 323 BC. AD. AD meaning is Anno Domini. This is a Latin phrase. The years begin with the birth of Jesus Christ is known as Anno Domini. Hazrat Muhammad was born in 570 AD and died in 632 AD. Timeline: the line displaying the events of past time is called timeline. Time glossary: the glossary relating to time is known as time glossary. Decade: the period of 10 years. Century: the period of 100 years. Millennium: the period of 1000 years. Sarka: if the exact date is not known, then the word Sarka is used with the date. Sarka is denoted as CA. Julian calendar, introduced in 46 BC by Roman king Julius Caesar. Christian calendar, introduced in 527 AD by monk Dionysius Exiguus. National calendar, Sak Samvat is used in some government sectors officially. Gregorian calendar, introduced in 1852 AD by Roman Pope Gregory XIII. Conversion of AD of Christian era in Vikram era. Example: convert 2013 AD into Vikram era, that is AD 2013 plus 57 is equal to Vikram 2070. Conversion of AD of Christian era in Sak era. Example: convert 2013 AD into Sak era, that is AD 2013 less 78 is equal to Sak 1935.